Hey guys, today I'm on site to do a windscreen repair. Did you guys know that you can use our equipment to repair any type of damage on laminated glass? Before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and move the car because we have too much sunlight. So now that we're in the shaded area, I'm going to go ahead and begin my windscreen repair. When using our windscreen repair resin, you can either use our control tip, a dropper, or a syringe. So while I'm waiting for the resin to flow, our PB20 injection resin is 30 times more flexible than traditional injection resins. It's all weather, has low viscosity, making it an excellent choice for all type of damage. Now that our windscreen is full of resin and the air has been displaced, now I'm going to get ready to cure our repair. Did you know that our PB3000 windscreen pit resin works in all weather conditions and it can double as plate glass repair resin? It has unparalleled shore hardness and superior tensile strength, making it the best pit resin money can buy. And this is why our resins are preferred by technicians worldwide, because of their consistent quality, affordability, durability, clarity, and ease of use. All of our resins have been laboratory and field tested by trained, experienced professional repair technicians, so you can count on repairs completed using our resins to last the lifetime of the vehicle.